Good morning! We're in Bray! Dapat na ako may imbagak. Bray something kasi ko.
Bray! Welcome to Bray!
Bray! Ituloy yung man kasi nalalaing kayo.
So, ayan.
Ala, nag-fresh tayo.
We're walking going to,
Greystones. Because we found this field. We found? Lagayam. Basta yellow nga flowers, pero I don't know
Ano sabi?
kung
Konti
okay
na
pa
lang.
siya. Ay, konti na daw?
Kwento niyo
Diba
naman, sabi, kwento niyo naman, ba't tayo napadpad dito?
Dapat talaga nung start pa lang.
Di ba, nag-cute? I mean, look at the beach.
It's not the usual beach.
It's not blue as Boracay, not as green as Palawan, not as white beach as beach ko na beach as Pagudpud sa no.
Ayun sa kanya.
Pero fresh tayo.
Mas fresh pa yung asa sa amin.
So, okay. Hello, baby.
So, hi guys. Busy sila magsintas ng shoes. Busy sila ready.
Okay, pang-hike ba talaga? Sige. Ala! Nagkira tayo, patong-tanawan, patong-tanawan. Uy, nagbaso. Sodre.
We don't care. At least we are married.
You're married! I'm married.
Ay, oo, ikaw pala yung married.
Are you married?
I don't
She's
have.
not married. She has someone. She's saying someone.
Committed.
Kala nyo lang, ha?
Someone in each country.
Uy!
Baka maniwala ang mama ko.
Nagbayag.
Guys,
Sikat na alis to gaya.
no.
Okay. Dati
See you
yan,
next time.
we're gonna start the real, not hike, walk ta lang. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Update. After 15 minutes of walking, look at the view. The best view
I
is...
love you. I love the view. Welcome to Lala's vlog.
Ay, no, view tayo ba? Pakita ko.
Like and subscribe.
Front camera, DJ. So, nyo ma-appreciate siguro.
Ama, napinasat ka.
Mababain ni Ja.
Professionality.
Ja, welcome to social media world.
Hello.
Ang gintas ni Ja.
Supay ah.
Madin, stop min. Madin.
I-unfriend tayo. YouTube.
Hi guys.
Nag-fresh.
Look at the view. Nag-made that sounds
Diba?
lang flower.
That's the train going to Dark.
Where's the train?
Ay, going to Dark. Greystones.
Greystones. And currently we're in Bray.
That is the best.
Appreciating the beauty of Bray.
Tagayam din.
That's what I'm telling you.
Final result, not bad, isn't it?
Ano ba dapat pagsasaritaan mo kayong ka-video?
No, paano kami nagkakilala?
Sino kanya ada?
Ala,
Sino sa kanila?
ano yung istorya tayo ba?
Tagalog ba dapat?
Pure anaon. Ano ba
Hi
yung istorya?
guys. Pro hi guys.
Finally, nakalabas din kami.
Finally.
Ay, dapat na video game ko matati nagikat at ana. Bado besh.
We're aiming to lumabas ng
Coming from the one who doesn't want to go. Ay,
no.
sugat ako manin.
Kanina ka pa.
Sabi niya maarte to masyado.
Nagpangit
Kailangan
na mata.
nabigil ka
I need
na.
my eyes.
Ama ka na.
Di ba nagrigat ang English? Na-imagine nyo tayo, video na ko nga gububara.
Imbes nga maki-argue ka ko.
So from now on, dapat English
Okay.
tayo.
Yeah.
Ala,
So starting,
very Pinoy fight accent.
Yan na lang yan. Okay.
and
Okay.
Lala, kailan mo i-update?
English.
Ala, English dapat. Wait lang.
So English only vlog.
Hi! We have decided to speak English only. Let's see who will last.
What's the consequence?
What's the consequence?
Nothing.
Nothing, because we're boring.
No one will talk.
Wait.
In short,
Oh,
Oh, wonderful love.
There's what?
There's water.
Magic models.
Sabi,
Peppa Pig.
nag-enjoy mother tayo. Hindi ko handa tayo nga. Ay,
What?
Nag-ingi.
Oh, 1 point for Lala.
1 point for Lala. We deserve a treat later.
She'll pay the ticket for the concert.
No. Yeah.
90 euros.
It's
Ay
the
guys,
total
yeah,
of
update.
160.
Audrey booked the script, no? The script
the
concert on November.
So I'm gonna have to review their playlist.
Oh yeah, I'm not familiar. Hall of Fame, Break Even, ano ba?
The Man Who Can't Be Moved.
Yeah,
Superheroes.
4 only.
Oh my God.
Nasagit ima ko, goodbye.
Teted snack to zero.
Ano dit? Ay, pintas.
Violets.
Purple na ko twin. Feeling ko kaya tiyog solid to eh. Gita sa dot. Madida kahit umaykit din. Agpangaton.
No, it's closer.
Wow.
Girl, napipitasin ka nga to. Hindi ag English. Ay! Madulas.
Oh my God. We find ways. So guys, di namin sure.
Ay, ta.
Di namin sure kung left or right. Pero may yellow field. Oh my God! Hindi ako kasama sa video! Oh my God! Data lang! Expectation versus reality, guys.
It's okay.
Basta may pagpapita nga na.
Still managed to take a good photo.
Live update. Fresh pa ba kami?
Life update. 2 hours nang nagwo-walk. Ito yung field dapat na puno ng yellow flowers pero wala na. Salamat na lang, Audrey.
Busy mag-duty kasi.
Hindi, BI si Ja.
Bad influence.
Gusto niyang mag-absent si Odds.
Hoy, pinag-absent niyo ako nung birthday ni Odds.
Fair enough.
Hindi naman ako dati pala absent sa Pilipinas.
Ako pala absent dito. Kasi guys, alam nyo pala,
Parang yung absent
we are entitled 7
uncertified
uncertified sick leave.
for 2 years.
In the span of 2 years, yes.
Yeah.
Rolling.
So I only have like 2 left.
Ako naka-6 na ako. Pero more than 2 years na yun.
But do you have GP?
I haven't.
Oh! Ay, baka ito nga din to.
Yan na yun. I win. Oh, I'm not. Go.
Dyan.
Just walk.
Walk?
Why walk? Mabaling mapalita.
Feeling ko dito yung nga talaga. Audrey, wala na. Look, guys.
It's too late.
Venisog.
Baka pabunga daw ulit.
Awan siguro.
Papatay dan, besh.
Ano ba yan? Dito sa nakagawa tayo. Uy, video kay Tiko Ma.
Wa, aman.
DJ Ana.
Uy, DJ, ituloy tayo, di ba?
When? Go.
We're almost done.
Guys! Welcome to Grace Songs. Tara!
Tarat na! Yeah. Pwede mo mag-vlog.
Yeah, so we're expecting to see yung
Yellow, golden
Yeah.
field.
golden field, pero ano na siya, mixture na siya ng gold and green.
It's Greenfield na.
Greenfield na actually,
with
it's not
a
yellow. But it's okay.
It's okay.
We're gonna eat now. Yay!
We enjoyed our trip.
Yeah, with a lot of.
Till next time, Char.
Tada!
Hello guys. Tignan natin. Si
si Terisin, please. Shakti nakar-arte tate awamit gayam. Kita niyo.
Kasi na ganun tutok na. Ayun, naka-ano.
Ay, na background mo.
Teta.
Wala tayo.
Relax lang.
Wait lang.
Game?
Nakatawa. Take us lang 5 seconds nga away ubra. Ito yun. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Invading the private property.
Ouch, ouch.
Yes. Whoops. Alangaro din. Agslabos kan.
So guys, right or left?
Right.
Ah, that's the train, no? Yeah.
Kasano tayo bandog po? Jay Campo nagkap po. Jay likod na.
Baon mo, tapos inubos.
Good for 3 pero isa lang kumain.
Thank
Tapos
you.
ikaw ang pinakapagod.
Guys, safe and sound. Medyo agdanag kami metatay.
Walk 6 kilometers from there. So,
Yeah.
Ate ka dyan. So ayun guys, update. Nandito na kami.
Guys, katawan na kami. Daw nakakita ka niya. Pero it's okay.
Kinabahan kami kanina kasi
are we on the right?
Kasi ada
we're not
signage,
sure
diba?
kung saan kami pupunta. Pero buti na lang may mga nakasalubong kami. Tada!
Yan, naggaraw na din.
You can count.
Minawan sabi pa nga nandito eh. Gutom na po. Pamadpad pa lang. Video. Happy kay katakang kanin niyo pa. We're having our first meal. First meal? Ada nagbulalo no konta. Ito yung pimples kung may ma-edit ito. Ano kayo ba?
That's it.
Finally, a proper meal after a 6 kilometers walk. Calamari, nachos, chicken wings.
Gusto ko na yung makita kasi ka dapat yun din. It's okay. Paano pa kayo dito gumito yun eh? Hindi tapos si Kati ano.
Tagal nyo na mag-decide, no?
It's okay. We're gonna eat now. It's okay, Jack. I mean, everything happens for a reason.
Ayan, may edit na. Madi.
Nice. Oh, nice. Babain na. It's really good.
Safe. Safe na safe.
Mano nga box dito? Dala box? Mesa?
Regular lang?
Pay 100 ba yun?
90.
70. 4 months debt ka, besh. So, kuno June, July, August, September. Tumama.
Ano yun? September ka pwede.
July, August.
3 weeks lang pa. That's the first week.
Posible.
9 to 10 weeks.
9 to 10 weeks. So, 3 months.
June, July, August. So, ano ka?
So fresh pa rin. Talaga ba? Guys, we're gonna say goodbye na.
Thank you for watching.
More vlogs to come.
Hope you enjoy our vlog. Like and subscribe.
Dun ko na. Send heart. Thanks.
Kajimon.